Everybody, Mike here. So I recently signed up for Visme, right? And they were nice enough to upgrade my account so I can get a true look at all the things that they offer. So when I signed up, I got this nice email showing me all the stuff that they can do. We got presentations, documents, social media, video and GIFs, charts and graphs, infographic, right? And then they have tutorials down here. You can sign up for a webinar. I hopped on their website the other day and I was very impressed. Typically use Canva. A rep reached out and I started to check out their website and I was extremely impressed when I logged in. So go ahead and do that now. So once I'm in here, it takes you to kind of your dashboard, right? So your projects will show up here. To manage my team, you can add users. So if you have a team of people, they can all use this. So we'll go back to the dashboard, right? And let's do create new project, right? So when we create new project, look at all of can do, right? And it has tons of templates. I don't know if many people do things from scratch these days when there's so much software that you can save so much time and money. These templates. So the more templates, I love them for like smaller businesses, so you don't have to hire tons and tons of people. When you have these templates, it really is awesome. I love them. Kind of live and die by the templates. So here are some of the templates, but as you see, there's all types. It's really good for people that are running campaigns, right? They have specific industries, the templates geared towards those industries, right? So we can click marketing, sales, right? You can do a quick preview, right? Click through, and then you use this template and you just update it like text and such to your specific name of the company that you're doing. One of the things people do is they give away ebooks with some generic information, right? And they had an ebook that I could download, tweak, right, and use that on my ad. So it does have mock-ups, like if you're doing an app and it's geared towards specific types of apps too, right? So this looks very clean right here. The interface of it, like is the user interface is, I was extremely impressed with. Just it was very user friendly. They do have, like I said, the webinars that we saw earlier where you can register for those. A lot of these softwares, you really don't need to do that because they're pretty self-explanatory, right? You can go to your templates and you customize them to your liking. I'm just going to do, all right, so that comes up. Right, so we can go through all these. We can look through the ones that we like, right? Through the one that looks the most engaging. Right, so if we go here, you can click edit, so it pulls it up, and then here is where you can customize the YouTube thumbnail. So you have all your options over here: basic, header, text, such you can add in there, graphics, 3D graphics, avatars, right? Let's see, put that in there, and then he shows up, and then it gives you, whenever you put something new in, it does give you kind of a little explanation up there. So I click OK. This guy, change this out, right? Little explanation comes up. Okay, in fact, more intriguing that, right? So if we click here, try, so we move this guy over, right? And then you can have your photos, so you can upload some photos, or you can just take them, right? Search happy, right? Put and scroll through, add the one that you like. There's data, right? I just like, it looks very clean. Like looking at these buttons, I just like the look of it overall. Videos that you can add in there, colors. Let's see, and then there are apps, right? So the one that's extremely popular these days is to add. Where is it? I saw it earlier. AI. So it's actually under photos. So if you click photos, right, you can go to GIF, mockup, cutout. But actually, if you look down here, we have it. You can generate an AI image right from here, right? So you can describe what you want and click high resolution. Try regular photo, do a 3D, happy beat with drinks. So this is basically where everybody wants to be, having a drink on the beach with the sun setting. So let's see what it comes up with. In the meantime, I'll delete this out. Oh my lord. That is funny. So these AI images are so funny. Let's see. So it is still in beta, right? Just like a lot of the AI stuff. This is kind of the initial stages of the release, right? So it hasn't really been perfected. So these images are funny, but they look nice. Like overall, I'll replace that. Replace selected image. That is the funniest. It's like they're doing a very advanced yoga technique. So that's on a different level. But anyways, you get the point. The option is in there, but obviously it says still in beta. Because sometimes like there's other AI software that generates photos, but it's nice to have it built into your software that you're already making your thumbnails and such for, right? So you don't have to go to 2 different websites. It's already built into there, so that's nice. But let's say that I wanted to use this, right? You have the present option, and then you can download this, or you can go ahead and share, right? So if you wanted to share it somewhere, iPhone camera settings, share privately. It does save to your projects too. Exit out of this, exit that, and here are all the things, right? Look at all this stuff over here. More, just so much stuff. You got invoices, get a fancy invoice, brochures, printables, so like flyers, right? There's just so much stuff. Like it would take tons of videos to go through all of these very impressive softwares. Anything that's going to save you and your company time, right? If you're running ads, this is very useful without a doubt. Facebook ads, which actually I'm about to run a Facebook ad, so I need to find one of these to use. I want to get that up and running today. So this stuff really comes in handy. You can preview it, use template, right? And as you saw, when you go in to actually edit the image, it's very, very nice user interface. So overall, just started using the software, but I am definitely impressed with it, and I can definitely see myself using this going forward. So if you haven't already, I would definitely give Visme a try. I'll go ahead and drop a link in the description and a pinned comment, and you can try it today for free.